Can we just take a minute to talk about how hard it is to come up with content ideas, especially as a beginner content creator? This is one of the things that I struggled with when I started, and I totally understand how it feels, the confusion, the thinking, and then sometimes we just end up posting random content that is of no value and doesn't help us in any way. I've been there, I understand, and that's exactly why I created this series. Welcome to step 3 of our series, Confused to Confident, a 7-step guide for moms who are ready to show up online with confidence. And today we're going to talk about that thing that will help you always know what to post, stop posting random content like memes, funny skits that is of no value to your brand, and that thing that will help you show up with purpose and intention, and that is a content strategy. But before we dive in, let me share something exciting with you. I am currently creating my signature online course, the Confident Creator Online Course. This is a step-by-step guide for women who are ready to show up online with purpose and confidence. This is not just a course, this is literally the guide and the transformation that you need to start showing up as the confident creator that you're meant to be. The course launches on the 27th of August, but the waitlist is currently open. So if this is something you're interested in, click on the link in the description to join the waitlist so that you'll be the first to get every information, bonuses, and early bird discount. Let's dive in. First things first, what is a content strategy? A content strategy is simply a plan for what you post, why you're posting it, and who you're posting it for. This helps you stop guessing and start growing because you're no longer posting to post. You're no longer posting for vibes. You are posting with intention. Here are 3 simple questions to help you build a solid content strategy. Number 1, who are you helping? Are you helping moms who want to start a YouTube channel? Are you helping business owners that don't understand how Instagram works? Are you helping CEOs and founders to be more productive and save time? Or are you helping new moms to lose a baby weight? It totally depends on you. You need to be clear on who you're helping. That way, your content will speak directly to them. So, what do you want to be known for? Knowing this will help you build your content pillar. That is 2 to 3 themes that you can keep creating content around. The content pillar will give you direction so that you're not everywhere and doing everything at the same time. For example, if you want to be known as a fitness coach who helps new mom lose the baby weight, your content pillar or themes could be nutrition advice, encouragement for new moms, weight loss tips, and exercises. Once you are sure about this, you will start creating content that will speak to the person you want to help, and it will also help you build thought leadership in that particular thing you want to be known for. And the third question is, what is the goal of your content? Is it to teach? Is it to build trust? Is it to sell something? Is it to motivate your audience? Knowing the goal of your content will help you create the content in such a way that you are able to achieve that goal. For example, if the goal of your content is to sell something, you will not post a motivational video. Instead, you will post a video that will trigger your audience to buy from you. Another example is if the goal of your content is to entertain your audience, you will not post a sales pitch. Instead, you will post something that will get them entertained and make them laugh. So knowing the goal of each content is so important. So here's your assignment for the week. I need you to write down these 3 questions in your notebook and answer them clearly. Once you're able to do this, you will already have different content ideas that you can keep posting to help you achieve your goal. And you will no longer be thinking, oh, what do I post today or what do I post tomorrow? You will already know this because you have created a clear strategy. And if you're thinking, okay, Amaka, this makes sense, I'm excited, but I am not confident enough to create my own content strategy from scratch, I got you. And that's exactly why I created the Confident Creator Online course. This is a step-by-step guide for women like you who are ready to show up online with purpose and confidence. Inside this course, I'll help you create your own content strategy, plan your content calendar, and finally start creating with clarity, even as a busy woman or a busy mom. The waitlist is open, so click on the link in the description to join now. I assure you, this is one transformation you don't want to miss. So that's it for step 3. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section. Don't forget to join me next week for step 4, where we will finally plan our content calendar. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up so that YouTube can show it to more people. This is Amaka Ezabikwa, your online mom bestie. I'll see you in the next one, and remember, Jesus loves you. Bye.